Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error video card crash with error code FHC01, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first solution is the easier one. You're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here device manager, and here if you have an NVIDIA card you're going to go into sound, video and game controllers, and then you'll have NVIDIA virtual audio and NVIDIA HD audio device here. You're going to disable both of those NVIDIA devices. If you're on AMD or Intel, you don't do anything. This is just for NVIDIA. So just disable both of those audio devices and then restart your computer and then try to play the game. If that doesn't work, then you can open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play the game. If for some reason that still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can try to do is you can try to update your graphic card's drivers to the latest version. So open up your web browser. I'll show you AMD first and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Click resources and support, click drivers here. You're gonna scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. Click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers here and install them. Now onto NVIDIA. Go on to nvidia.com, click drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, so select your graphics card series along with the model and then your operating system. After that, click find here and then download the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel, go on to intel.com, click on to support here at the top left corner, click download center, click graphics here, search for your graphics card here. So whatever card you have, search for it here and then download the latest Intel Arc GPU drivers and install them. After you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play Forza Horizon 6, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that video card crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.